kilong, ang ginawa ko sa buhay ay gumagawa ng malunggay pandesal. Dati kasi hornero lang ako ng malunggay pandesal. 6 na buwan, natuto na ako ng masa, timpla, lahat-lahat ng gawa ng pandesal marunong na ako. Sa isang araw, umawa ako ng umaga, tapos magsara ako alas 9, tapos magbukas na naman ako alas 3 ng hapon, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, 30 days, 3.5 lang sa buwan ko. Hindi kasya. Hirap pang buhay sa pandesal pag trabador ka lang. Yung una, nagtrabaho muna ako. Nang nakaipon-ipon na, naka 40,000, bumili ako ng oven, tapos may tao na nagsuporta sa akin. Yun, napundar ko na yung na-open ko talaga yung isa dito sa Tambobong. Yung natutunan ko sa Taguig, sa pagtrabaho ko ng pandesal, ngayon nagamit ko dito sa pagbibusiness ko ng pandesal malunggay. Yung una kong bukas dito, akala ko hindi lalakas, 15 hanggang 15 kilos. After 1 month, medyo palagi siyang naubos araw-araw 15 kilos, dumagdag ako 20 kilos hanggang 25 kilos, ngayon 30 kilos na naubos. Nung isang araw 30 kilos, kumikita ako ng 3,000 a day. Ang gusto kong mapatutunguhan itong malunggay pandesal nga dumadami yung outlet ko hanggang 20 or 10 sa Bulacan. Dati nagtrabaho pa ako, wala talaga akong napundar. Hindi tama-tama lang sa pagkain sa pamilya ko. Ngayon nagnegosyo na ako, medyo nakabili na ako ng mga gamit, gaya ng orokat, lagayan na sa plato, pinggan. Doon kasi nagtrabaho ako, hindi ako nakabili, hanggang kain lang. Sa mga suki ko, pagpatuloy yung pagbili ng pandesal at laging masarap yung pandesal ko, hindi yan magbabago. Malambot at masarap.
I don't know what to say after that inspiring video. It's like, what am I doing here? Woo! Did you like that? Did you like that story? Did you like that short story? I'm like, it's so cool, so inspiring. Anyway, hi everyone. If you are new to this channel, thank you for coming by and thank you for watching. I am Joby de la Cruz and I make videos featuring stories of people and places. So I post every week, but then I am trying, cross fingers, to post at least twice a week. Because it's actually really hard to find stories out there to feature or even to shoot or even to schedule all those things, but let's stay positive that I will be able to do it starting this week. Anyway, did you like that video? It's such an inspiring video. Imagine from 3,500 a month to 3,000 daily. You know, when I met Ricky and I heard about his story, I was like, wow, your story needs to be heard all over the world because it is such an inspiring story and you don't know that you might even be able to save a life by just sharing your story. I felt so privileged featuring it. I felt so privileged to be able to capture and document everything. And I'm excited to where he is going. He has a vision of having hundreds of pandesalan all over the Philippines, not just in Bulacan, but all over the Philippines. And it's exciting because as early as now, while he's starting, I was able to be a part of that journey, you know? Just like you guys. I'm still starting right now. I don't have a lot of followers, but I am so happy, so happy that you are subscribing and you are commenting and you are liking. You have no idea, it means so much to me. It really encourages me, and I believe it's part of my success story. You're gonna be part of it. My vision is just do this long term, and yes, I won't forget you, I promise. So yes, going back to the story, I know that we all need to hear stories like this because life is hard, life is tough, and yeah, we just need to be reminded that if we work hard enough, things will work out in the end. And I thought to myself that his story needs to be heard by a lot of people, and maybe that is you, because I understand that life is hard and it's tough and it's sometimes really harsh. We all need stories like this that would help us keep moving forward, like inspiration. I just want to spread good vibes here and good stories and motivating you that if we keep working hard, things will work out in the end. So don't ever give up, and I am even telling that to myself right now. We all need to be inspired from time to time. Whew. But I do want to move beyond, you know, go beyond inspiration. I believe that one of the most important things to be successful is not just about being inspired, because I believe that inspiration fades in desperate times, in times of like hard trials. Inspiration fades away, and there's one thing that will be there if we're able to develop it early on, and that is the word discipline. Like with Ricky, he started learning and disciplining himself in making pandesal every day for months. Like for most successful artists, musicians, filmmakers, and whatever kind of industry, everyone has developed a habit, a discipline that they committed themselves into, they worked hard for. Don't get me wrong, inspiration is very important to spark things. But for us to be successful and to continue on, we need something more, and that is discipline. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today. I really am inspired. I am happy I met him. If you like this, I would like to hear what you think. I would like to hear what you think about his story and how it inspired you. I also want to know, because I believe that some of you are more experienced than me. Maybe most of you are more experienced than me and more wise or wiser than me. I want to hear like a piece of advice from you, so we could learn from one another and inspire one another and teach one another, you know, just sending out good vibes out there. Please do comment everything down there, and I promise to reply. I would love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I keep saying that, but I really do enjoy this video, this story. I want you to know that if you are having a hard time in life, don't ever give up. Just keep moving forward. I'm even telling this to myself. We have a mission to do. And if you are that person right now, if you're looking for a sign and you're waiting for a sign, this is it. I hope that this video helps you. Yes, so subscribe if you haven't yet. Do hit that like button and leave a comment below. I will see you soon, hopefully within this week, to post another video. Goodbye, and I love you all.